I've never had an accident that injured my back. 7, 8 years ago, it started to get progressively worse. I went to the doctor. I got a few of these injections. Nothing worked, so he recommended me to a surgeon. After the surgery, I felt a little better. A couple of months after the surgery, I started with the extreme pain again. So I went back to the doctor, the pain management doctor, Dr. Chapman, and he said, look, we've tried everything. We've tried surgery, we've tried all the injections. He said, there's something fairly new on the market, spinal cord stimulator. After he implanted the stimulator, I immediately felt better. I can't even begin to tell you the difference between the pain that I was experiencing, which is excruciating, and then after the stimulator, I would say about 70% at least of the pain is gone. I'm able to go to work again. I'm able to walk again. So it's made quite a difference in my life, quite a difference. I couldn't ask for better treatment.